Hey guys, today is St. Patrick's Day, and my wife was Irish, but she passed away on February 2nd after getting the flu, and it turned into acute respiratory distress syndrome. So she passed away on February 2nd, the night before our anniversary. So it's been a while since I've done a grilling video, and I'm going to do one today. Now, rather than do like corned beef or anything like that, I'm going to do roast. Her favorite thing that I ever cooked, I think, was beef, rare beef, whether it be a steak, a roast, whatever. She just liked her meat really rare. She thought chicken was okay, pork was okay, but when she really got excited was when I cooked rare meat. That was her favorite thing. She said I was the only one that cooked meat the way she liked it. And I have a nice, I think it's going to be nice, stainless steel grill grate for my Weber Kettle that was sent to me by the Adrenaline Barbecue Company. And it's still in the box because I received it when she was in the hospital, and I went to visit her, and that had came in the mail that day, and she asked how things were going. I said, pretty good. I said, I got this surprise in the mail. I think it's a new stainless steel grill grate, you know, for my Weber grill. And she's like, oh cool, I can't wait to see that when I get home. Well, she never came home, so it's been sitting in the box, and I think of that every day when I walk past that box. I just haven't been able to open it. So today I'm gonna open it up and cook a rare roast in her honor. Her birthday is the 20th, so it'll be for St. Patrick's Day, and her birthday will be one last roast for Margie. Alright, I guess it's time to finally open this. If my hands will work, I have thoracic outlet syndrome. It affects the nerves and the circulation in my arms and hands. They've been giving me a pretty hard time lately, so let's see here. Come on. There we are. "22-inch, two-zone cooking grate with easy spin." Oh, it's pretty heavy. That's pretty nice. Now let's see. It looks like, okay, just one side opens up on this. And looks like that actually comes off, because that way, this is a bigger opening than my other grill, so that will fit the size of the slow and sear, so you can just add charcoal. This ought to be pretty nice. Alright, I'm going to take it outside and get it onto the grill. I need to clean this up. It's been a couple of weeks since my last cook, and it's a mess, but I have the slow and sear, I have the dripping griddle, and you can see how much rust is on this grill from sitting, this grill grate from sitting for a couple weeks or so. So now I'll have the whole setup. I'm going to get this cleaned up and we'll get started here. I'm using Best of the West natural oak lump charcoal for this, but I don't really like it that much. It doesn't seem like it burns that good. I like royal oak lump better. So, and this is a beef cross rib roast. It's about 2 3/4 pounds. I seasoned it last night with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper, and just put it in the fridge overnight. So it's been in the fridge seasoned overnight. I put a oven meat thermometer, a regular oven meat thermometer in it. I'm also going to put my just my wireless probe in there. And okay, I think we're good to go here. Since this charcoal doesn't seem to burn very hot, I'm going to start with the vents all the way open for now. It's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes, and the temperature of the roast reads 138 on this one. So let's take the lid off and see what the other thermometer reads. This thermometer reads about 125, so there's a slight variation there. That's why I use 2 thermometers, just to see. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get it off of there. The temperature of the grill ran about 300 degrees most of the time. Now you could sear it, but I know Margie would say don't bother searing it because she liked her meat really rare, and she's like, that just cooks it more. I don't like it seared. So I'm just going to get it off of there. This looks pretty good to me. Let's cut into it and see how it looks here. These cross rib roasts are usually pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Nice and pink. Let's slice off a piece and give it a try. Turned out good. I think Margie would have liked that. She probably would have just said I should have pulled it off 15 minutes sooner though. She liked her meat so rare. It was crazy. That new grill grate's going to be nice. I'll put the link to Adrenaline Barbecue Company in the description if anybody wants to check it out. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.